Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out a new wig review. So this unit is from UNice Hair. So thank you so much UNice for sponsoring this video. So this is a curly unit, you guys. This one is a 13 by 6 lace frontal, and this one is in 150 density, and it's 24 inches long. This is the lace tint that I use. It is from WigStensions, and it is in the color caramel, I believe. I used 3 pumps all over, and it came out really perfectly to my skin tone, and I just used a blow dryer to dry it down. To go ahead and apply my wig, I always use Got To Be Glued gel, and then I also use some hairspray from Indie Hair, and it's the same way I always secure my wigs, you guys. It's nothing different here. Then I go ahead and use a rat tail comb to just go ahead and press the unit into the gel and the hairspray mixture, and it really comes out nicely. Then to further secure the unit, I use my GLEEmade baby hair scarf, which is on my website, so you can head over to GLEEmade.com and grab you one of these baby hair scarves, and they're only $8. You can use the code DRAGONESS to save you even more money. So this looks amazing. I love my new wig tint spray. It works perfectly to get the exact shade that I need for my lace. So then I went ahead and just brushed the hair away from the hairline. I added a few baby hairs, nothing crazy. I added a part, and I did a nice curved part. On curly units, I think a curved part is always best. It gives you a really natural look. Then I went ahead in with a bristle brush and fluffed the hair out a little bit. I also added, like I said, some edge control. The edge control I use is by Style Factor, and it is in their strawberry scent. Now Style Factor is a little bit high priced, you guys, so you can always use Ebon edge control, which is also another favorite of mine. I've been using that for years. I really like the hairline on this unit and the parting space. I feel like the unit comes really nicely pre-plucked. I didn't pluck anything or do anything to customize the hairline. This is just the way it comes. All I did was bleach the knots. So I noticed the hair was a little bit flat, so I wanted to add some fluff and body to it. So I just grabbed a wide tooth comb and ran it through it to just disturb the curls a little bit and give them a little more life. Then I kind of wasn't crazy about how the unit was falling, so I decided to go ahead and give it a trim, just to trim off the ends at the bottom, and then just to give it a nice shape to frame my face and just give it a shape fully around the whole unit. And as usual, just to make that part even more blended, I just went in with a eyeshadow the same color as my skin tone and just added that eyeshadow powder into the part and around the hairline, and it came out flawlessly. So I really like the quality of the hair, you guys. This hair is really soft, really lightweight. It bleached nicely and easily. I had no problems managing the hair, and curly hair can sometimes be a difficult task, but it came out beautifully. So if you want to check out this unit, I'll definitely leave links in the information box down below, and I'll answer any questions you guys have in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from me. Make sure you're also following me on all my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.